got this head of cauliflower that I need to use up because it's starting to turn, and if I don't use this up quickly, then I'm going to have to throw it away. So I'm going to cut out all the little pieces of discoloration, and then I'm going to put it in my deluxe Pampered Chef Deluxe Blender with a little bit of maybe some sharp cheddar cheese, onion, and some garlic, and I'm going to make soup, cauliflower soup. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I put a whole head of cauliflower, about a third of this big old thing of sharp cheddar cheese, an onion and a half, and 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper into my deluxe blender. I set it to soup. Yeah, you can see the little soup thing. I'm going to press start. And so it begins. Oh, it's bubbling it away. We've got about 8 minutes left. I forgot to say before that in addition to the cauliflower and the onion and the cheese and the garlic, I also put in about 2 cups of chicken broth and about a cup of water. Okay, beep dappy, so it's done. It smells amazing. Cauliflower soup with some cheddar cheese. I'm going to add a little bit of heavy cream because when I tasted it, it's just a little bit salty, so we need to cut down some of that salt. So I'm going to pulse it. Oh, let's dish this up. Oh my goodness. In no time, I took a whole head of cauliflower and made cauliflower soup. And then I shredded some more cheese on top, and it's creamy. And let's taste it. Oh my God. Oh, this is amazing. All it was a head of cauliflower, about a small onion and a half, 2 cloves of garlic, and probably about, I don't know, I'd say probably about a cup and a half to 2 cups of cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, salt and pepper, and some chicken stock and a little bit of water added to it. I put it on the soup setting, and then when it was all done, tasted it, and decided that I wanted a little heavy cream in it, so I added some heavy cream to that. And then when I served it up, I put some shredded sharp cheddar cheese and a lot of fresh cracked pepper, and it is amazing. Amazing. I said it, walked away, came back, and I had soup for dinner in the Pampered Chef Deluxe Blender. Doesn't get easier than this. Enjoy.